What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a very short video purely because Thursday didn't really give us much. You can see it was a very sloppy day, and we didn't manage to take out that Wednesday low, even though we're just about to take it out now as we enter the Asia session. But nonetheless, my bias still remains. So what I'm going to suggest you do is go watch yesterday's video, and whatever I said in yesterday's video, I want to see apply on Friday now. So I'll say that again. Whatever I said happen, I want to see happen in Wednesday's video, which was seeing this Wednesday low get taken and then a potential reversal. That's what I want to see happen tomorrow. Now, I've got a million reasons why it's low probability. We have elections. This is the first time I'm witnessing elections in the UK. I don't know what time results come out, so I'm guessing that's going to be in the morning. That's going to have an effect, I can imagine. And then we have the one and only non-farm payroll. Guys, honestly, if you're trading tomorrow, I don't know what's wrong with you. If I was you, I'd just stay out of it and just let price do its thing. But nonetheless, I would like to think that we can see price trade higher. If we lose this red level right here, which I brought our attention to yesterday, then in that case, I'll be bearish. It's as simple as that. But so long as this holds, I do want to see a reversal. That's pretty much everything. But again, go and watch yesterday's video. This is going to be an extremely short video, but I thought I wouldn't leave you guys on edge. Same on GBP. I wanted to see that Wednesday high get taken. We didn't do it on Thursday. Very disgusting, sloppy day. So that means moving into Friday, I'd like to think we can run those stops and then turn around. So again, if we lose this level right here, I talked about it in yesterday's video. If we lose that, whole different story. I don't really want to get involved, and we might trade into this premium up here. Other than that, I'm looking to see a potential reversal. But again, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, and elections, guys. This is my first ever time witnessing elections in the chart. So take that into account. And then finally, Euro USD. Same thing. We have actually taken out Wednesday's high just now. I'm looking at this level to get traded to, and I want to see a reversal. If that shows resistance, then I'll be looking for shorts. Wherefore, I'll be looking for Thursday's low, Wednesday's low, and Tuesday's low potentially. Ideally. Now, again, non-farm payroll and its elections. That's going to be everything, guys. Honestly, really fast video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash subscribe, join the mailing list, and I will be doing a live streaming session on Sunday. I'll make sure to give you more information on that, so keep an eye in my community tab, or if you're not already, join the Discord, and I'll keep you posted about that live stream, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, go watch yesterday's video. Peace.